Well, you're sick of turkey, right? Thanksgiving is wonderful until you eat too much turkey, and then it's just like you're turkeyed out for a while. It's kind of like being sick of market volatility. So the markets were volatile in November, and we don't like volatility. As we just like up, but sometimes things go down. And yet, for the month of November, with the volatility, the market still finished up. But the volatility is being driven by the fact that we are entering this age of AI and data centers and spending. And are these companies that are spending all this money building all this stuff going to continue to be profitable? And you may not understand what's happening, but what you do understand is that when your little smartphone isn't smart and it isn't working, or it's spinning, waiting for it to load the data of the answer of whatever it is you are seeking to search, you want that faster, and you want an accurate answer, and you'd like it to do a lot of thinking, to go find, to navigate, to answer a question, to give you some direction. And AI is doing nothing but making that better, faster, stronger. Yet we're worried, when's it going to be enough? Is this like the tech bubble where eventually you didn't need to buy a computer for a couple of years and everything kind of adjusted after the Y2K scare of 2000? And what I find astonishing is this chart that I'm showing you. And if you can't see it, I'll explain it to you. It basically shows the number of data centers built. And this is only through March of 2025. And what it shows is that if you added together the top 10 other countries trying to build data centers, the US still has about 2,000 more data centers. So we have more data centers that we're building in the US than the top 10 other countries combined. And it's still not enough. And what I feel like the trend is going to be, other than volatile, is the rest of those countries are going to do nothing but wanting to catch up. And those countries are trading partners with the US. And they're going to continue to want to use some of the technology and software of the very companies we're building this out in the US. And so this trend may last longer. And in the 80s and 90s, what you could see in the run up to what became the tech bubble, the run up to us taking on technology, the run up to us using email and the internet, was a lot of volatility. Because there's uncertainty how this is going to play out. And there's going to be some companies that make mistakes, and there's going to be some companies that are really successful, and there's going to be people bidding up certain areas of the market and then taking profits. And you can tune out all that noise if you have a plan. And you can tune out all that noise and let us worry about how the portfolios need to be constructed, but get real clear on what do I need and make sure that's not exposed to the volatility. So we'll see how December ends up. November is now behind us. We're about to wrap up 2025. Look forward to talking to you in January.